osmosis. Osmosis is a very important phenomenon when we consider the plant-water relations. What is osmosis? Here we have a container, and this container is separated by a semi-permeable membrane. It can be an egg membrane or an animal membrane or a parchment membrane. That means this membrane allows only solvent molecules but not solute molecules. So this membrane is semi-permeable membrane. So this container is divided into two compartments by a semi-permeable membrane, and each compartment is filled with a solution. Let us call this compartment A and call this B. In one compartment, the solution is hypotonic. In another compartment, it is hypertonic. Means, when you compare these two solutions, its concentration is low. Say for example, it is 2% solution, and it is hypertonic, means it should be more concentrated than this. Say it is 10% concentration. When these two solutions of different concentrations are separated by a semi-permeable membrane, this membrane allows only solvent molecules. Solute molecules are not allowed. These solvent molecules pass through the semi-permeable membrane until either both the concentrations become equal or the diffusion pressures of these two solutions become equal. When it is lower concentrated, naturally, what is the diffusing pressure of the water molecules? That should be more than the water molecules present in the higher concentrated solution. So the water potential or diffusing pressure is more in hypotonic and it is less in hypertonic. So from its higher water potential, means more free energy is present in this when compared to this. Because of this, the solvent molecules enter into the higher concentrated solution. Till what level? The diffusing pressures of both the solutions should become equal. Means the diffusion pressures of the water molecules present in both these should become equal. Then it attains equilibrium. Don't call it the stop. They can enter from in this direction, they can enter from in this direction. So when the movement takes place across the membrane, when the movement becomes equal, then we call it equilibrium. So osmosis is defined as when two solutions of different concentrations are separated by a semi-permeable membrane, the solvent from lower concentrated solution, otherwise called the solvent molecules from their higher potential, enter into the solution of higher concentration, or the solvent molecules having lower potential, that is osmosis.